Hello, my name is Adrian Cockings and you're watching Keystyle TV, and today I'm going to take you around Apartamento Luna, this beautifully renovated ground floor apartment here on our Valle Golf Resort. So as you come into the apartment, you are greeted with this beautiful extended living room and a dining room adjacent to the side. You've also got glass curtains that can be opened up fully to create this nice indoor-outdoor aspect. I can't comprehend how big this apartment actually is. They've got enough room that they've just got a lounge area separate from the lounge area. This apartment comes with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, one of which has been completely renovated with a nice standing shower. The other is ensuite to the master bedroom, which comes with a bath. As you are out on your private terrace, you've got lovely views of the communal pool. You've got enough space around as well so you can grab some sun, but if you want to have some winter sunshine, it's a perfect spot to soak it in. Well, that's all from me here at Apartamento Luna, but if you want any more information about this property or any other properties that we have on our website, make sure you check it out at www.keystyleproperties.com, and make sure you like, comment and subscribe to keep up to date with all the latest property videos. Well, my name's Adrian Cockings. I'll see you next time.